If you want the best Wi-Fi printer to kick off 2021, then we can help. All the brilliant wireless printers on this page come with either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, and often both, which makes them incredibly flexible devices that are easy to install in any home or modern office. Because they don't need to be connected to a PC or router with wires, you can place them pretty much anywhere, as long as there's a power socket and decent Wi-Fi connection. Not only does this make them easy to install in a building, but it also means you can easily connect wireless devices such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones as well. A lack of wires makes for a much cleaner desk or office as well. Of course, by being connected to your network, albeit wirelessly, the best Wi-Fi printer benefit from advanced network features as well. If you have a small network, for example, every PC connected to your network can print to them, making them ideal for businesses. Many even allow you to scan and email documents directly from the wireless printer itself. In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best Wi-Fi printer available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. It was obtained after hours of researches, and it has been listed based on the economy, features, and prices. In this list are diverse alternatives available for buyers. So whether you need best Wi-Fi printer, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Our team conducts all types of experiments with the latest products to give a good idea to the audience. With all our experiences, we justify the quality of the newly released products. Our product researchers, through their experiences, provide an actual buying guide list that ensures 3 aspects in the market. These are focused and listed according to price, customers' review, and ratings. Only a real user can justify the quality of a product. Based on those number of users and our tests, we provide every detail, working procedure, and suggestion for opening options to choose the right one. Our review contents: camping and outdoor gear, gadgets and accessories, survival and technical gear, PC and gaming device, health and fitness, home appliance, tools, kitchen gadgets, and transportation. Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us. Your satisfaction gives us the motivation for uploading more awesome videos. If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.
Buying guide present top 6 best Wi-Fi printer. Let's get started with the list of the best Wi-Fi printer. Number 1. HP DeskJet 2710 All-in-One Printer. Features: print, copy, scan. Print speed 7.5 5.5 ppm, a black color. Contains more than 20% recycled plastic. 60 sheet input tray. Flatbed scanner. HP Instant Ink ready with 2 months trial included. Reliable connectivity with dual band Wi-Fi with self-reset and Bluetooth 4.2. Wireless and HP Smart App capable. Hassle-free wireless. Resolution black, the best up to 1200x1200 rendered DPI. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 2. Epson EcoTank EE a 2750 Wi-Fi printer. Features: Wi-Fi and apps. Print from mobile devices. 3-in-1 with LCD screen. Print, copy and scan including double-sided printing. Control ink costs. Revolutionary system. Ultra-low-cost printing. Print up to 14,000 pages in black and 5,200 pages in color. Next generation ink filling system. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 3. HP OfficeJet Pro 8022 All-in-One Wireless Printer. Features: print, copy, scan, fax. Up to 20 ppm black, up to 10 ppm color. Made with more than 15% recycled content by weight of plastic. 225 sheet input tray, 60 sheet output tray. Help save time with smart tasks by using HP Smart app. Voice activated printing with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. Designed to save your time. Freedom to work anywhere. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 4. Canon PIXMA TS5350 Multifunctional Wi-Fi Printer. Features: recommended ink cartridge. Experience the freedom of Wi-Fi connectivity. Creative Park. Style credentials. Hassle-free. There's an app for that print. Share-worthy snaps. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 5. Epson Expression Home XP3100 Wi-Fi Printer. Features: elegant 3-in-1 with LCD screen. Save money, space and time. Mobile printing. Freedom to print from almost anywhere. Individual inks. Save money by only replacing the color used. Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct. Wireless printing with or without a network. Unleash smart devices. Affordable solution. Minimize printing costs. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 6. Epson Expression Photo XP760 Wi-Fi Photo Printer. Features: high-quality photo printing, Claria Photo HE inks for exceptional, long-lasting photos. Flexible, Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, and easy mobile printing. Dual paper trays, one for A4 and another for photo paper. Wide range of media, prints on thick card and CE DVDs. Convenient, duplex printing and auto power on. Mobile printing. Wireless connectivity. Effective printing. Easy to control. Check product link and price on video description below. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.